Hello everyone, how is everyone doing? In this video, I'm going to touch on how to model a Jabra headset ear plug ring as the cover on the ear cushion has started to peel off from the ear cup due to usage. I have this Jabra headset, and after some months of usage, the cover over the headset ear cup peel off from the cup. There isn't seem to have any replacement for that, so either I can use some tape to tape it, which does not look very good, or get a new piece of the headset, which will create some environmental trash since the headset is still in working condition. The other alternative is to model a ring that can hold the cover back onto the headset and continue using it. Alright, let's get started with the 3D modeling of the ring for the headset ear cup cover. Start your FreeCAD. If you do not have a copy of FreeCAD, go to freecadweb.org. They are installer for Windows, Mac and Linux. In your FreeCAD, select Part Workbench. Create a new document. Go to File, New, or you can click on the New Document tool on the toolbar here. In Part Workbench, select the torus tools here. In this torus, set the first radius to 28.5 mm and the second radius we will keep it to 2 mm. Add another torus to here. This second torus here will be 27.5 mm for the first radius, and likewise for the second radius we keep it to 2 mm. So what we're going to do next is to select the bigger torus followed by the smaller torus, and then on the toolbar here there is this tool called Cut Tool Shape. Click on it and the torus will be cut as what you see here, with a concave inner and a convex on the outer side. And this is the ring that we want to create, so that the concave area here will hold onto the ear set. And that's easy. In fact, this is all we need to do. Next, we just save this one, and we will save it as headset ring. Next, select the object here, export it to STL, and we'll name it also called headset ring. With the 3D model done and exported to STL format, we are now ready to import the STL into the 3D printer slicer software. Open slicer, click Add, select headset ring.stl, open, and this is a ring import into a slicer. We'll be printing this with PLA filament, so I only have black color PLA for the headset. If you have TPU or TPE, that will be better, because whatever you printed out, the ring will be more flexible and it's easier for you to put that into the headset itself. The infill setting can be any setting, because the ring itself is very thin, so it will always be printed with 100%. The other thing that we need to have here is the rim. This is to ensure that we have a rim printed to hold this ring during the print, so that you will not move about when during the printing. Alright, with that, what you need to do is just to click on Slice Now, and that's how it looks like. The dark green color here is the rim that is printed to hold this ring during the printing. And to see how each layer look like in the slice itself, you can drag up and down this orange color bar on the right to see how each layer look like. And on the right panel bottom here, you can see that to print this ring, it will take 11 minutes, and the required filament is about 0.4 meter. When everything is okay, click on Export G code to export to the printer format. You can take the default name given or type in your own name. Save it. Alright, when the exported file is completed, it will pop up a message here showing that it's done. Now you can copy the G-code file to your 3D printer and get a ring printed. With the 3D model printed, let's get the ear cup cushion cover back into its position. Take the printed ring, put it onto the headset ear cup. Slowly slide it down inward onto the ear cup. Pull the cover through slowly. Now you can see the ear cup cover is properly hold back on its position, and I can continue to use the headset. Let's recap what we have covered. I have this Java headset which the ear cup cover is dropping off. We used FreeCAD part workbench to model part with torus and cut tools to create the ring we need. Once the 3D model is completed, we export it to STL format that can be used on the 3D printer slicer software to slice it for the 3D printing. Finally, with the printed part, we put the ring onto the headset ear cup and get the cover stay onto its position. If you like this series of videos and would like to support it, you can simply like the video, share it with your friends, family members, colleagues who can benefit from learning how to design 3D model using a CAD software and print them for daily usage. Of course, remember to subscribe for future videos. Thank you for your attention. Bye.